sure that when you're solving this, you're solving for y here. We're isolating the y to find the y-intercept so that when you're doing this, you isolate the y, so you're getting rid of this and the -4. So you get rid to make 0 to the x first, okay? And then 0 minus 4x is a -4, 4y is a -4y equals to -2x plus 4. I write it with this first so I don't have to remember to change it later. That way, you can do that. You can always rewrite it with that's a +4. So this is divided by -4, the coefficients only, not the variable, y equals to 1/2 x minus 1. That's a positive because 2 negative is a positive. That's your answer. So your slope or your rate of change is 1/2. And your b or your y-intercept is at -1. So the ordered pair there is -1, 0. That's what I should have taught you today, that the y-intercept is the 0 and itself. Okay. This point is called b. That -1 is b right there. So you go ahead and do this on your own. What I know will be on the test is something more like this, but it'll be like 3x equals to 12 minus 4y. Same rule. Get rid of the 12, get rid of the -4 on the quiz on Friday. So this one here, you need to get rid of 3x and a -4, so you minus 3x. This is 0, so you get -4y equals to, I like to write with the coefficient first and then the constant last, 12, like that, ahead of time, so I don't have to remember to change it later. Divide by -4, divide by -4, divide by -4. So this is a +3/4 minus, don't forget the x, not the y, but the x. Minus 3 equals to y. Okay? That's your slope is 3/4, and your y-intercept, your b is -3, so your ordered pair is 0, -3. This is called b. This is your point b, and that's your -3. Okay? So you do that for all of this. Review. At a local national park, the park ranger decided they want to extend a wooden walkway through the forest to encourage people to stay on the path. The existing path is 150 feet long. The park ranger believed that they can build additional walkway at a rate of 5 feet per hour, so 5 times the number of hours. Okay. It's already 150 feet there. How many total feet of walkway will there be after the park ranger worked for 5 hours? 5 times 5 hours. Plus they want to know the total feet of walkway altogether, plus the 100 feet that's already there. So you get 175. So 175 is the total, 175 feet is the total walkway after working 5 hours. Okay, I wrote too big. Sorry, 5 hours. Write an equation to determine, that you can use to determine the amount of time the ranger needs to build a total of this many feet. Okay, so we got 5h plus 150, that's already there, 5 times the hour, and that has to equal to the total of 500 feet. Then determine the value of the variable to make the equation true. Okay, minus 150, minus 150, that means to solve it, that's 350 equals to 5h. Divide by 5. You get h equals to 70 hours. So the park ranger has to work 70 hours. The park ranger needs to work 75 hours to build 500 total feet of walkway. The park ranger, you finish that, okay? Needs to work 70 hours. Okay. Find the rate of change in the unit rate for the following. What does 0, 400 mean? Okay, and what does this mean? Okay, let's see. Rate of change. Okay, we'll use the 2 dots. That's already there. That's 3 and 100. 3 weeks. And they still owe $100. This is 0 weeks and owe $400. Oh, I need to do this. Very important. Okay. Finding the rate of change then is y2 minus y1. This is x1, y1. That's for the first point. The second point is x2, y2 over x2 minus x1. Okay. Y2 is 100 minus 400 over x2, which is 3 minus 0. So 300 negative over 3. So that means that's the rate of change and the unit rate. So it's negative 100 over 1. This is the rate of change. This is unit rate. Okay, so you got rate of change. Is the graph a negative? This is a negative graph. It's going down. So this is dollar amount. This is negative $300 negative, and this is the number of weeks. My son has a soccer game coming. Oh, I record this too late. Okay, so whatever it is, on the television. So this means that the amount they owe goes down by 100 every week. Amount owe goes down by $100 each week, or $300 for 3 weeks. What does 0, 400 mean? 0 means when he bought the TV is $400. He owed $400. Oh no, I need to cancel. They owe at 0, 400 means that they owe $400. The TV was $400. Okay, and it takes them 4 weeks to pay it all off. Weeks to owe $0. Okay, right here. That's what 4 and 0 means. So you explain it however way you want. Okay, this one here, some of you still have trouble with this. I think the next one will look like this. I won't give you the food one. The food one, it's on the warm-up tomorrow. Matt spent 20 more than, so it's plus 20. Todd, twice Todd, 2 times Todd. That's Matt. Okay, I'm doing this fast. Jeff spent half, 0.5, as much as Matt. Okay, and James spent 3 times as Todd's, 3 times Todd. How much did each person win? We don't know Todd. So Todd is x. So Matt is 2x plus 20. If Matt is 2x plus 20, then Jeff is 0.5 times 2x plus 20. Okay, and this is 3x, and that's x. Okay, I'm going to multiply this ahead of time, distribute that, and get x plus 10 there. So we're gonna, how much did each person spend? If Matt and Todd spent equal to Matt plus Todd equals to James and Jeff. Okay, Matt is, Matt, we'll do it in purple, and then blue. Matt is 2x plus 20. Todd is x equals to James. James is 3x. And Jeff is x plus 10. 3x plus 20 equals to 4x plus 10. And you solve it for x. Minus 3x to both sides. Minus 10 minus 10, x equals to 10. So Todd is $10. If Todd is 10, then James is $30. If Todd is 10, Jeff is $20. Todd is 10, Matt is $40. Okay, so Matt is $40. Jeff is $20. James is $30. And Todd is, put it in a sentence possible, please. Okay? Here, remember when you're solving exponent, division property, powers, quotient property, quotient power rule, you subtract. So this is 3 to the 6 minus 9 equals 3 to the negative 3, which is equal to negative exponent rule. You flip it, becomes positive, or 1 over 27. Okay. This one, product power to a power rule. So you get 2 to the 6, multiply them, and r to the 30th, multiply them. 2 to the 6 is, let's see, 16 times 4 is 64, I believe, r to the 30th. Don't count me on that, I'm doing it in my head. I'm running out of time though. These multiply together, you get negative 6, and then product rule, exponent, and you add that, negative 6m to the 8. Add these two exponents together. Okay. Now this one, remember, is 9 times 2, the square root of 9 is 3, and this is irrational, so square root of 2 stays square root of 2. This here is broken down to square root of 49 and the square root of v8, v to the 8. Square root of 49 is 7, v to the 8, divide by 2, 7 with nothing left. That's v to the 4th with nothing remaining, so that's my answer. Here, the square root of 24 is 4 times 6. 4 and 6. 4, the square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 6 is irrational, so you leave it square root of 6. Okay, I believe that's it.